Okay, wait. Now, okay, Kyra,
Yes,
I'm giving you one question. You tell me how are you going to do it, right?
sir.
Okay, chalo. I'm keeping it here open. Let me check this. Chalo, I'm giving you add 2.365 plus 389.1 plus 0.0, no, sorry, 21.63, right? If you want to add this, how will you add? Kyra,
Yes, sir. You would this you would make them into like fraction.
how like decimal?
Yes, like decimal.
Okay, how
By
will you put?
end of 389.1, you would add two zeros after one
Very good. Why you want to put 0? Okay. Chalo,
to
I'll
make.
give you very simple method. Forget about like decimal, right? I'll tell you. Anybody knows
Yes,
how
sir.
to want to तेरा प्रणव को छोड़ के. I know प्रणव को मालूम है. चलो. Anybody knows
Sir, can I
Trisha,
type the
Trisha?
answer on chat for you?
नहीं नहीं आंसर नहीं चाहिए मेरे को. I don't want answer. I don't want you to calculate. I don't want a calculation. I want a pure concept understanding.
Sir, I already sent it.
Myra.
Huh?
I
Myra.
already sent
Myra,
it.
wait. Trisha, do you know how to
Yes,
add
sir.
decimal?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Tell me what you will do. Simple process. Suppose I give you number 3 numbers I gave you, right, to add. So what
Yes.
you do?
Sir, first we have to bring all the decimals under each other and it
Very
should.
good. Correct. सही जवाब हो गया तेरा काम. Very nice. What you need to put? Put the decimal one below the other, right?
Yes, sir.
Because this part is for the whole number and this part is for the decimal numbers, right? Clear? So after this, what you put? 2, you have to draw from here to here, and here you have to go from here to here, right? So
Yes.
from decimal, you have to take a path. You have to start from decimal and you have to go in the away from decimal. So it is 2, that is 3, 6, 5. See how I'm writing? I'm keeping up some space and writing it, right? Here
Yes,
also
sir.
I've got 3 decimal and then 1. Write this is 9, 8, 3. Then you write 1, 2, and then there is 6, 3. Now wherever there is a blank number, put all as a 0, right? When there is a blank number, put everything as
Zero.
0.
Yes,
Correct?
we have to put zero.
If you don't put on this side, it is
Yes, sir.
okay, right? If you put the 0 before the number, it has no value. After decimal, if you put the 0 after any number, it has no value. So value does not change, right? So this becomes a your like decimal, right? Correct?
The same method as converting into like fractions.
Yes, like decimal. Yes, absolutely. Like decimal, you have to convert. And then because for addition and subtraction or comparison, you cannot compare or cannot add or cannot subtract if you have like, if you don't have the like fraction or like terms. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that is why to put this like, what you need to put decimal under decimal. So this is the whole part section and this is a decimal part section. Correct? After this,
Yes.
you know how to add, how to carry, everything you know, right? It is exactly the same how we are doing it. Only thing is, it is with the decimal point. So it has a whole part also and you have a decimal part also. Correct? But
Yes.
does not matter. You just go as you are normally doing, just keeping the decimal one below the other. Clear? Hai? Everybody is clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. So now we'll go one by one below. Let's see. कितना चीज तुमको आया है, right? This is number names you have done already. Sorry, writing a decimal into name format, right? Okay, this we have already done. Exercise, exercise 13 and 40 I gave you already, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
last time I gave you 13 and 40, right? 13 and 40 I gave you. Everybody did 13 and 40. I told you to do it.
Sir, I'm doing at the moment.
At the moment, क्या फायदा? What you did for 2 days?
Sir,
I told you to finish before you come for the class, right?
I had some work on Wednesday.
वेनेसडे तो फिर ट्यूसडे कर लेते बेटा अपना, आफ्टर द क्लास यू कुड हैव फिनिश। ठीक है, आज भी चलो, एनीवे चॉइस।
Sir, after the class, I had another class.
ठीक है चलो, ओके, नो प्रॉब्लम, चलो। नाउ कंपैरिजन आल्सो वी हैव डन। Okay, comparison and ordering is the same thing, right? So this is very easy. Okay. If you, what I'll do is once you finish, everybody finish. Okay. By next class, definitely I want you to finish. Next class, I am going to check this and you will tell me how we are doing it, right? I'll ask randomly question to anyone and everyone. You get one or two questions, everyone will get, right? So make sure that you finish this and come, right? So this is addition, right? What we need to do is you need to place number below the number, decimal below the decimal, and then you put, right? So here you got all the, like, suppose you see here, you're not putting the zero, right? They're not putting the zero, which is okay, right? Correct? Only the place value has to come one below the other, right? So do you want me to solve this here? Couple of questions, should we solve?
No, sir.
आ जाएगा?
Yes, sir.
Anybody wants to try?
Sir, exercise
sir.
40 is homework. 41 is homework. Exercise 41 is also homework.
No, but if you want to try couple of them, we'll try here. The
Sure.
below one, right? Yes?
With which numbers in question number 2 we need to add?
Sorry?
In question number 2, they have given the question as add the following decimals, but which numbers do we have to add?
All the numbers which is given.
So, like 18 upon 4 and 7.89, we have to add each
Everything,
other.
everything. कौन पूछ रहा है ये?
Trisha.
हाँ बेटा, everything you have to add.
Okay.
ठीक है? I'm just telling you here. Wait. ठीक है, चलो. I'll write here. Just see. 18.4. Right? Now I'll shift according to what I want. Right? So first I'm writing here. It is 2-digit number नहीं है, 3-digit number है. Right? So I'll just make one more place here. Okay. Then right here. Plus. Then you have what? 7.89, right? See, I'm writing 7.89. Just keep little space how I'm writing it. Keep little space. Then you have 0.365. 0.365. Then you have plus 1, 0, 4.6, right? So if you write zeros after this, I am okay. If you don't write after this 0, I am still okay, right? If you write 0, I am okay. If you don't write 0, I am okay. If you feel confusing, so you write. Otherwise, see what I do is an answer will be x, 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 dot, x, x, x. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Right? So just write this x, x, x. So here what do you get? 5. Then you write here what? Again 5. 1 carry over. Here what do you get? Now you have to add. How will you add?
2.
How will you add?
4 plus 3. 4 plus 6.
9. 4 plus 6, 10. 8 plus 3, 11. 11 plus 1 carry over, 12. 12 plus 10, 22. So 22, 2 carry over. Now how will you do it?
Sir, 2 plus 8, 10, and
Correct.
then
2 plus
becomes
8, 10.
21.
And 7 plus 4, 21. Again 2 carry over.
3.
2 plus 1, 3. And then you got
That's
1,
1.
right?
1. Yes,
Clear
sir.
है? Easy है?
Yes, sir.
Do you want me to do one more or no? चलेगा?
Yes, sir.
चलेगा.
चलेगा. Very good boy. ठीक है, चलो. So this is A is done. Okay. Anybody has doubt? Trisha, do you have doubt?
No,
हाँ,
no, sir.
पक्का आ जाएगा?
हाँ, sir.
श्योर है, चलो. अब मेरे को बताओ what I do here. Next, C1. Try the C1.
1.9.
So what I do, I just leave some space. 1.9
9. 19.39.
19.39
39.
because there are 3 digits. I am leaving some space, right?
Yes, sir.
Then
109.899.
899. And you have to put decimal upon decimal, right?
Yes, sir. 909. 919.99.
99, correct? Now, as I told you, if you want to put the zeros, if you confusing, you write. Otherwise, no. Okay, you have
I
to.
put zeros.
Yeah, you put zeros. Is okay. Do you want me to put it? Okay, chalo, I'll put it for you.
No, sir, it's fine.
अरे बिंदास यार. If you want, I'll put it ना. क्या problem है? You are solving for me. You are helping me, so I'll put it x x x. Why I'm writing this x x x? So at least I know which one to put where, right?
Yeah.
That is why I'm putting this x x x point x x x. Correct?
Yes.
Chalo. Yes.
9.
Okay, Trisha only will solve. Nobody else will solve. Okay. This is
Yes.
9.
9 and then 9. 27.
Very good. 7.
7 and 2 carry over.
Very good. Then
2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 8, 13. 13 plus 9.
that is difficult, right? So what you need to do is you already have 2, right? What you should do? 9 and 9,
18.
18. 18 plus 3,
Plus 2, 18 plus 3, 21.
21 plus
21
10 you have,
plus,
right?
yes, 21 plus 8, 29. 29 plus 2,
Nah,
31.
8 plus 2. See, that is what you are not doing, right? What is the use of friends? Okay, suppose you say 8 plus 2, 10, right?
Yes,
So keep it separate, right?
yes.
Then add at the end. Don't add separately, right? You already done 10. That is the benefit, right? So 9 2s are 18. 18 plus 3,
Plus 3,
21. 21 plus 10 directly, 31, right?
31.
Or
Yes,
you can do separately is 8 plus 3 is 11.
11.
ठीक है. और 11 को सेपरेट रखो अभी. 9 into 9, 9 plus 9, 18.
Plus 9, 18, yeah.
18 plus 2, 20.
20.
20 plus 11,
21.
31, right?
Yes.
So 3 carry over.
Yeah.
Now how will you do?
Point. 3 now 27 plus
9 3s are 27, right?
27. 27 plus
27 plus
1.
3 already have carry over.
20 plus
30 है.
yeah, 30, 31.
31.
Okay.
Very good. And 3 carry over.
Yes, sir. Total now it would be 5.
Very good. And this will be
10.
correct. Done?
Yes.
Chalo.
Yeah.
So this is 2 are done. Okay, this is pending. So I'm just marking it. So at least I will know which are the pending one, right? This is pending. This is pending. This is pending. And this is pending, right? So I'll do it later on. Clear? Chalo.
Yes.
Now find the sum. It is the same thing. What you given on the top. Only
Add.
thing is they have given add. Here they have given a add sign, which is the same thing. No
Huh.
this thing, right? So this is also I'm not doing it, right? Chalo,
Yes,
this
sir.
is any which is solved. You can do it in the class, right? Subtract. Now, okay. Tatwa.
Huh?
Okay, if I tell you, forget about this question, right? I am giving you one question. Subtract. I am writing this. Okay, subtract circle from a rectangle. So what do you write? So you have something here, minus you have to do, right? So where I should
Yes.
put, you have to have something on the, before the minus, above the minus and something below the minus, right?
Yes,
So what do you
sir.
do? What do you put, the rectangle first or the circle first?
Rectangle, sir.
अच्छा, ये कौन बोल रहा है?
तत्व.
अच्छा, तेज क्या बोलता है तू? रेक्टेंगल पहले रखेगा?
Sir.
अच्छा, त्रिशा?
Yes, sir.
रेक्टेंगल फर्स्ट रखेंगे?
नहीं सर, सर्कल.
सर्कल. सर्कल यहाँ आएगा, फिर रेक्टेंगल यहाँ आएगा, राइट?
Yes sir.
वेरी नाइस. ओके, मायरा, व्हाट डू यू सजेस्ट?
Sir, we'll do this rectangle first.
रेक्टेंगल माइनस सर्कल. ओके, मायरा और कायरा.
The rectangle.
ओके, प्रणव.
The rectangle minus circle.
वेरी गुड. क्यों? ओके, मायरा, अरे त्रिशा, जस्ट नाउ सी, subtract 7 from 12. So what do you write first?
12.
क्यों? Because you have to subtract 7, right? So subtract 7 from 12. This is how you write, right?
Yes sir, because 12 is bigger than 7.
Bigger, smaller नहीं है. That is why I gave you shape, right? So you should understand what comes after from has to be on the top, and what comes after subtract has to be bottom, right?
Yes sir.
It is not about bigger or smaller number, right? So when you say subtract something from something, okay, when you say subtract x from y, so y minus x it will be done, right?
Yes sir.
So don't look at the bigger number or smaller number. It is not important, right?
Yeah.
What is important is from what you need to subtract what, right?
Yes.
So again, I'll write here. This is very small number. So I'm writing, I'm solving myself. Okay, you can solve in your book. .83. Now I told you how to do this, right? Orally. So what I'm doing, I am doing orally. Let me try, right? So 0 minus, this thing is not done, right? So what you need to do is, you need to put here 7, right?
दरवाजा का बंद.
Right. Now, because it is 0 here, you borrowed 1 from here, yes or no? So this 7 will become 6. Trisha,
Yes sir.
right? And then 6 minus 8 you cannot do, so you have to borrow 1 from here, right? So what
Yes.
will become? This will become 16, and here it will become 8.
8.
Clear?
Yes sir.
I'm just writing here. Then again I have to change this, right? So I'll write 8. Then what do you have? Again you will get a 0 here.
Yes sir.
Okay?
Now it would, instead of 10 it would be 9.
9, 10 क्यों? 10 आएगा ना बेटा. 1 we have gone, right? So it will become 10. Instead of 11 it will become 10.
Okay.
ठीक है? So and 2 will become 1.
1.
13.87. Correct?
Yes sir.
ठीक है? Clear है?
Yes. Yes
So
sir.
everybody else will be able to do it? Yes or no?
Yes
sir.
पक्का है?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
I want a proper working. If you want to carry over, you want to show this, cut it top down. Please leave one line before this and one line after this, right? If you want to write something here, just leave one line on the top here. So at least you can cut and write. And then after solving also, leave one line here and then start the new sum, right? 2 lines. Another line, leave 2 lines. Because one will be for this and one will be cut and then you have to write. And you have to separate the numbers also. Correct? Okay?
Yes.
It has to be very neatly done. This has to be done in a book. Clear? Because you don't have a place here. Clear? Hai?
Yes.
So please don't make it congested. I want a clear working, so it had to be done in a notebook. Clear? Hai?
Yes.
Sir.
So this is done. I'm writing this is done. This is done. Okay. Rest is pending. Okay. Chalo. These I'll write later on. Okay. These also you can do subtract, find the difference, or subtraction, simplify. Yes. Now how we'll do this? Anybody can give me idea?
Yes, sir.
How?
Sir, here we will just do like here we should add positive numbers and add negative numbers, then subtract negative from positive.
So what do you do? Now for this, you need to understand the integers, right? So I'll just write here, what are you doing, right? What you do is you add both of this first, right? If I add both of these, what will you get? 7, 1, 7, 8, 1
Sir,
and 7.
78.17.
78, 78, 78.17, right? So what I'm doing, I'm adding both the numbers which are having the positive sign, right? And then
Yes,
I am
sir.
adding both these number having the negative sign, right? This I'm going to teach you today, right?
Sir, 37.679.
30 है 36 कैसे आएगा?
Sir, I said 37.
37.67 है, yeah. 37.679. Okay. Then you subtract here, what you'll get. Now, why I'm doing this? Chalo, I'll show you here what I'm doing, right? I'll write in rough. Everybody, those who want to understand, please write down in your notebook. And this is an integer. It's a new concept for you. Those who have not done in my class last time, for them, it's a new concept, right? So what you need to do? What is the question? Okay, wait. Let me write this first. इसका आंसर क्या आएगा? It will be 738. So it will be 440.379. So it will be 491. Correct? Is it correct answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I can do it orally. You need to solve in your book, right? Okay, yes. Okay. Now, I'll solve this question systematically. So at least you know how to do it and why you have to do it. That also I'll explain. Clear, eh? Hello? Everybody is clear or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Very good. Okay. How many of you, let me understand, how many of you except Pranav, how many of you understood what I did? और नहीं मालूम है तो क्लियर बता देगा सर नहीं समझ में आया आई एम ओके विद इट
सर नहीं समझ में आया।
किसको नहीं समझ में आया
तेज।
कायरा तेज और तत्व
हाँ सर मुझे भी नहीं समझ में आया।
वेरी गुड कायरा
सर
हाँ
सर आई डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड।
वेरी गुड सो एक्स हाँ
didn't understand.
आ रहा है।
सॉरी
मायरा ने आपके पहले के क्लासेस लिए तो मुझे समझ रहा है।
वेरी गुड चलो तो कायरा भी समझाएगी मेरे को राइट कायरा चलो प्लीज एक्सप्लेन व्हाट आई एम डूइंग व्हाट यू नीड टू डू
Sir, I didn't understand.
63.8 अरे आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग ना बेटा don't worry I'm resolving it right properly 63.8 and 14.37 this is you to add both are positive number right and the both negative numbers are what minus 28.609 and minus 9.07 correct
Sir, I understood how to do.
who beta
Kyra.
okay chalo so now what you do because these both are minus number you have to
Negative
add them
is
right
equal to P.
976.73 and this is since both are positive number this is any which is we are going to add right correct now this got a positive number and this got a negative number so what you do 78.17 minus 37.679 correct and then you subtract this you got a 0 here I cut this get a 1 I cut this I got a 9 16 minus 7 is 9 I cut this 10 it will be 4 then I cut this it will become 0 here and 7 minus 3 is 4 correct how many of you understood this right now
So I didn't understand.
Sir,
नाम बताओ आई मत बोलो
Trisha.
Sir, Tej didn't understood.
right
सर
तेज
तत्व डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड।
वेरी गुड ठीक है मायरा क्लियर
Sir, I had no doubt.
कायरा क्लियर
Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड प्रणव आई एम श्योर यू मस्ट बी क्लियर राइट
yes, sir.
चलो now I tell you a story right I'll tell you why it is so and I'll give you a very small number because this is a decimal number it is difficult to understand right and we have done in the whole number also right एक minute let me take a screenshot for this and send you this question right So at least you know okay, which one I'm doing. I'm doing this one, right? I've done this one. Yeah. Why it is not giving me screenshot?
Then click on
अरे नहीं किया है सब बेटा, ये कभी कभी
print
स्लो हो जाता है
screen.
मेरा कंप्यूटर, राइट? ठीक है, चलो. नाउ हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू सीन माय स्टोरी ऑफ
Washroom.
पीवीआर सिनेमा?
Sir, I saw.
वेरी गुड, ठीक है ना. कायरा, तूने भी देखा है?
Sir, I don't remember.
यू डोंट रिमेम्बर, ठीक है.
कौन सी मूवी सर?
अरे बहुत मूवी पीवीआर में देखे जाता हूँ मूवी के लिए, बच्चों को सबको, राइट? सो आई एम शोइंग यू
It's
दिस.
not about the movie, it's about the people who are watching the movie.
हाँ करेक्ट. मूवी तो तुम जो भी होता है देख सकते हो, राइट? ठीक है ना. लेट मी ओपन दिस हियर. ठीक है ना. दिस इज वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक and very important one, right? Very interesting and very important one, right? Because this concept will work. Negative number will work with the fraction, decimal, integers, whole number, natural number, length, mass, capacity, time, temperature, everything, right?
Yes.
Okay, so it will work with everything. Now I am going to show you here. Okay, anybody can tell me. Acha, I'll just give you this. First, let me give you a simple question. Like what the question they've given. The similar way, I'll just write the number, right? Chalo. I write the number here. Okay, Trisha, Tej and Tatwa, please pay attention here, right? Now they've given a 2 positive number, 2 negative. So what I'll do, 8 plus 9 minus 3 minus 4. Correct?
Yes.
Now this I can arrange any which ways wherever I want, right?
Yes.
If I do 8, 9 plus 8 minus 4 minus 3, it is okay?
Yes, sir. The answer will be 10.
Very good. So if I write this, what you need to do is, you need to take the sign before the number along wherever you are moving. It doesn't matter where you place, right? So there is a sign every time. There is a sign with the number just before that, right? Here, there is no sign. What does it mean? It is positive number, right? If there is no sign, it is considered to be a positive number. Clear?
Sir, and which sign it is considered to be negative?
Minus.
Minus.
प्लस रहेगा तो प्लस, नहीं लिया तो भी प्लस, राइट? इफ यू डोंट पुट द साइन, it is plus, right? If there is no sign, it is plus. If it is sign, it is positive sign, it is positive number. This is negative sign, it is negative number. Okay. Now before this, okay, I can do this, add this, then subtract this, and then subtract this. I can do it, right? Yes or no?
No sir.
Yes.
Correct? Chalo. Trisha, I'll ask you simple question, right? Just tell me, I'm writing simple question. Trisha, Tej and Tattva answer karega, right? Okay. I just say 2.
Sir, can I send the answer in the chat
अरे
box?
क्या आता है तेरे को, तो छोड़ना यार. I don't have any doubt, you know it, right? So मायरा का भी मैंने कराया, तो you have doubt, you tell me, I'll explain one more time. Otherwise I know you know it, right?
Sir, no.
Trisha, what is the answer, beta?
2 plus 7. So answer would be 9.
Very good. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
What will be 7 minus 2?
So it would be 5.
What will be 7 plus 2?
9.
What will be minus 2 minus 7?
9.
Huh?
9.
9.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what will be minus 2 plus 7?
5.
Huh?
Minus 5.
Minus 5. Very good. Okay, what will be minus 7 plus 2?
Minus 5.
Huh?
Minus 5.
Tej, Tattva, do you agree with these answers?
Sir, Sir, the last one we don't agree.
वी
Yes.
क्या उसको बोले
हाँ?
आई डोंट
Sir, the I agree with the all the answers.
ये करेक्ट है
हाँ, कौन
तेज
सा?
ये कौन रहा तेज है तत्व
तत्व.
तत्व ये करेक्ट तेज ये करेक्ट है
Sir, yes.
ये करेक्ट है
Sir, yes.
ये करेक्ट है
Yes.
वेरी गुड अच्छा तुम्हारे में से किसकी मम्मी ड्राइव करती है
हाँ?
हुज मॉम ड्राइव द कार
सर, हमारे पापा करते हैं.
So my mother.
हाँ
My mother.
हुज मदर माई व्हाट
Trisha.
हाँ त्रिशा कायरा
Since my sir,
हाँ
both my parents drive.
सॉरी
Sir, both my parents drive.
वेरी गुड
So even
लेकिन
my parents drive both.
राइट लेकिन क्या कॉन्फिडेंस कब आता है तुमको कभी कॉन्फिडेंस होता है
जब भी कोई साइड में हो
जब पापा ड्राइव करते राइट
No, sir.
नहीं क्यों
हाँ सर.
दोनों में कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं आता है
सर, मेरे पापा बहुत डरते हैं ड्राइव करने के लिए.
किसके पापा
कायरा.
अच्छा
सर, मुझे तो कॉन्फिडेंस जब पापा ड्राइव करते हैं तभी आता है.
करेक्ट
सेम योर सर.
राइट तो यहाँ पे क्या है जो पॉजिटिव नंबर है ना बेटा वो सारे पापा है क्या है
पापा.
पॉजिटिव नंबर है वो सारे पापा है तो अगर तुम समझो फॉर एग्जाम्पल त्रिशा यू
Yes.
डिड दिस 7 - 2 क्या आया था बेटा
5.
इसमें क्या करता है पापा ड्राइव कर रहे हैं कौन कर रहा है ड्राइव करेक्ट है और मम्मी बाजू में बैठी है राइट नेगेटिव नंबर्स आर मॉम राइट
Yes.
इफ यू चेक दिस इसमें क्या हो रहा है सेम थिंग राइट हियर मॉम इज ड्राइविंग राइट
Yes.
एंड पापा इज बिहाइंड राइट आंसर सेम आना चाहिए ना
हाँ.
आंसर क्यों अलग आ रहा है तेरा
So because minus plus is minus.
नहीं ये गलत है सी दैट इज वेयर यू अंडरस्टैंड के यू आर लर्निंग अ रॉन्ग concept and that is what I am going to teach you very simple way right very quickly now tell me this is very very important I am going to cover in next half an hour I am going to cover for a lot of things for you right
Yes.
now let's go here ये क्या है क्या है
That's a seating
cinema right
board.
this is PVR cinema right see I am going to see this right क्या हो रहा है see every time it is changing right so if you check this area see Trisha Tej and Tatwa please understand if you don't understand please ask me right because all the three people they know already this right check this area right now see here is there any seat reserved for girls or boys no right
No.
anybody can sit anywhere right
Yes, sir.
yes चलो ये देखो ये क्या हो गया ये तत्वों की फैमिली मूवी देखने गई ठीक है तेज और तत्व की फैमिली मूवी देखने गई ये वाले राइट करेक्ट है तो क्या हो गया पापा फिर तेज फिर तत्व फिर मम्मी राइट यस
हाँ
और
सर.
ठीक
हाँ
है
सर.
नाउ लेट्स चेंज
सर, लेकिन जब हम लोग मूवी देखने जाते हैं हमारे दादा दादी को भी साथ
अरे
लेकर
भाई
जाते
बाद
हैं.
में लेके जाना ठीक है चलो ये वाला अगेन ठीक है दिस इज कायरा's फैमिली गोइंग राइट फर्स्ट मॉम कायरा यू हैव ब्रदर और सिस्टर
Sister.
assume कर you have brother right
Okay,
yes
sir.
assume you have a brother right ठीक है so first your mom will sit then your dad then your brother and then you correct ठीक है
Sir.
चलो then हाँ ये सारे फ्रेंड ओके तेज कौन आ गया दिस इज तेज तत्व प्रणव एंड हिरेन राइट ऑल गॉन फॉर अ मूवी राइट all boys. Clear है? So is there?
Sure.
हाँ, this is my family. Correct. I am going for a movie. क्या हो गया? First is my. अच्छा, this is ये अच्छा, ये तो कायरा की भी फैमिली हो सकती है, राइट? कायरा,
So,
this is your family, right? So
so
this is
this is
dad,
exact seating
this is your
position.
mom, this is your you, and this is your sister, right?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, क्या हो गया यहाँ पे? When you have this kind of thing, so is there what I'm showing? All boys, all girls, all girl boy mix. Anybody can sit on the same seat, right? The different movie, different theater, the seat is same, right? But everybody can sit anywhere, wherever they want, right? So
Yes,
there is
sir.
no reservation
Yes.
for girls or boys or a child or an elder or senior citizen, nothing, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, right? तेज
Yes.
तत्व,
हाँ सर।
understood? All T's, हैं? All T's, समझ में आया?
यस सर।
तेज, तत्व and Trisha, all starting from T, right?
यस सर।
ठीक है, so in the interval what will happen? People will go with the washroom in the washroom, right? तो क्या होगा? ये सब एक साथ जा सकते हैं?
So,
यहाँ पे सब मिक्स है, right?
yes, sir.
फिर क्या होगा? The girls will go in the girls washroom, boys will go in the boys washroom. Clear?
यस सर।
Very good. So यहाँ पे भी क्या हो रहा है? You have mixture of this, right? 8 plus 9 minus 3 minus 4, what I given you, right? So these are boys, positive are boys and negatives are girls, right? So girls will go
Yes.
into girls washroom, boys will go into boys washroom, right? But if you have 8 minus 9 plus 2 minus 7 plus 5 minus 4, तो क्या करोगे? So what do you do?
So we would skip the negative.
Sir, can I tell?
Hello.
Sir, already.
हेलो सर। हेलो।
Yes. So what do you do? ये कौन मेरे को चैट कर रहा है? कायरा, क्या लिख रहा है चैट में?
Sir, that was answer to last question you asked.
अच्छा, ओके ओके, ठीक है, चलो. So
Sir,
now
can
what
I
do you
go
do?
to the
Here,
washroom?
जाओ. वॉशरूम कौन है? कौन
Sir,
जा रहा है?
Pranav. Sir, Pranav.
हाँ?
Pranav.
Go to boys washroom.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. ठीक है. So what here? You have 4 girls, then 8 boys, then 9 girls, then 2 boys, then 7 girls, and 5 girls, right? ठीक है. Clear everyone?
यस सर।
ठीक है. So क्या होगा यहाँ पे? What will
So,
happen? Now all are going to washroom, right?
sir, the 8 plus 4 minus 8 plus 4 would be equal to um um uh, 2.
Sorry.
So negative plus positive is equal to positive. Here. Yes, so negative plus some. So minus 4 plus 8 would be equal to 2. Then 2 minus 9 would be equal to minus 7. Minus 7 plus 2 would be equal to 5 minus 7. 5 minus 7 would be equal to minus 2. Minus 2 plus 5 would be equal to 3. Sir,
Yes. ठीक है, चलो. What is that?
the
8.
answer would be 3.
नहीं, आंसर नहीं चाहिए. पहले क्या करो? 8 plus 2 plus 5, right?
Yes, sir.
Then you do -4, -9,
9
-7.
minus
Right?
7.
So this all goes into boys' washroom, and this all will go to girls' washroom, right?
Yes.
Sir,
So there is some lady standing here. She is counting how many girls are going in. There, some boy is standing counting. One man is standing who is counting how many men are going, right? So what is that? There is 15 boys and how many girls? 20 girls, right?
Sir.
Yes or no?
it
Yes.
would be -20 girls.
So -20, na? That is why 15 minus 20, correct? I'm saying girls are 20. That is, you represent girl with the minus numbers, right? So how many, who are more, girls or
5
boys?
5.
girls.
Who are more, girls or boys?
Girls.
So
Well,
answer will
girls.
be minus, right? How many girls are more?
-5.
Correct? Everybody, Trisha, clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Absolutely clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. So I am sending you one worksheet just for your explanation. Okay? Let me show something here. ये कह रहा 3 आंसर गलत है. ठीक है? I am sending you one worksheet here. Okay. Let me show. आज ही मैंने करा है. This is a solved worksheet. I am sending you just for your reference, right? So at least you will know how to solve this. If you have any doubt, you can go to this and you can check, right?
So why do we do it like first the positive, then negative?
To make sure that you don't make a mistake, right? So you have multiple numbers, then you gather the positive number first, then you gather the negative number, and then you add both of them. Negative with the negative number, positive with the positive number, right? So if you see here, किससे पूछा है क्वेश्चन?
Tyra.
कायरा. ठीक है? Because when you do plus and minus, minus plus, then it may get confused. What you do, right? You have to say boys to girl, girls to boys, and everything, right? This will
Then,
make your task very simple, correct?
sir, when I did it that way, then the answer got wrong.
हाँ, तो किसका किया तूने?
Sir, the example.
मेरा वाला एग्जाम्पल.
Yes, sir.
तूने कैसे किया? How do I know? You made a तेरा
Sir, I
जो.
did -4 plus 8 and
हाँ,
then
तो -4 + 8. ओके, चलो. क्वेश्चन क्या है? लिखा है? यू रिटन क्वेश्चन?
no, sir.
हाँ,
No, sir.
फिर क्वेश्चन नहीं लिखा तो मेरे को कैसे मालूम? चलो, आई जस्ट रिमेम्बर द क्वेश्चन. एनीबडी रिमेम्बर द क्वेश्चन? बताओ. -4 + 8, then you have
Plus 7.
-9
Yes,
plus 2 plus 5 minus 7. करेक्ट? ये था ये क्वेश्चन था, राइट?
No, sir. It's -7 plus 5.
सॉरी.
No.
हाँ, वही सेम है ना, क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
Yes,
It
sir.
will not make any difference, right?
So I did -4 plus 8, which is equal to 4 minus 9 plus
No, एक मिनट. Here, what will get answer here?
4.
4. Then 4 minus 9, what will get?
-5.
-5 plus 2, what will get?
-7.
Minus?
I mean, sorry, -3.
-3. Plus 5, what will get?
2.
-7, what will you get?
2 and -5.
आ गया ना -5? You may, that is where exactly I don't want you to do this way. समझ में आया बेटा?
Yes, sir.
Answer will get the same, but you will do some mistake in addition subtraction, right? And
Yes.
that is why I don't want you to follow this method. This is the best method what you can do. Right? When you have multiple addition subtraction number, this is the best method what you can do here. Correct? Eh? Is everybody clear?
Yes, sir.
Now when you multiply a number, what will happen? And I'm going to give you only 2 worksheets. One with a multiple number multiplication and one with a multiple number addition subtraction, right? I'm going to give you.
पिन्नोटे.
Huh?
तू हे काय काढलंयस?
काय झाला? काय?
आई नाही
Okay.
सर.
Now when you have multiplication different rule. Here what you have to boys and girls, right? In multiplication, when you multiply 2 numbers together, right?
पिन्नोटे.
Hello, listen very carefully. This is very important. I have only 10 minutes. Listen very carefully. Okay. When you multiply 2 numbers, right? Chalo, I'll just open this. This is only, right? Let me open 4B.
ते नंतर बघितला. पैसे आई बापाने
And this is I'm going to give you different.
तीन है यार.
क्या हो गया?
कुछ नहीं सर.
ठीक है. See, when you multiply and divide, right? So what will happen? In multiplication, when you multiply 2 numbers, Trisha, Tattva and Tej, please pay attention. Myra, I don't think तेरा अभी multiplication हुआ है, नहीं रहा?
नहीं सर, मल्टीप्लिकेशन डिवीजन नहीं हुआ है.
Very good. तो ध्यान दो यहाँ पे, right? So when you multiply 2 numbers, 5 multiplied by 8, ये क्या है? Multiplication is king of mathematics, right? And division is queen of mathematics. वो क्या बोल रहा है? हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, डिवाइड करेंगे, तो आंसर देखो सब जगह पे 40, 40, 40, 40, 8, 8, 8, 8, right? Negative, positive, you decide what you need to put, right? This is not my area. I'll just multiply the numbers and give you the answer. Clear है? Yes or no? So I'll just multiply. Division में भी वो करता है. Decimal तुमको किधर डालने का तुम्हारी मर्जी है. I'll just multiply and divide. Same way it works there also, right? So that also I'll teach you how to do it, right? But here also see what I'm doing is, when 2 numbers are multiplied, if both numbers, suppose this is your dad going with his friend for a party, they will enjoy?
Yes sir.
Yes.
Enjoy is positive. Enjoy is positive number, right? Okay. Your mom goes with her friend or a masi for a party. She will enjoy. Both will enjoy.
Yes.
Yeah.
Answer positive आया वापस. Correct. When your mom goes with your dad, who will decide where to go, where to eat, which movie to see? कौन decide करेगा?
Sir dad. Sir dad.
कौन डैड का डिसाइड करता है? कौन से डैड डिसाइड करते हैं? आज लग मैंने देखा नहीं है. आई हैव नेवर सीन अ
सर
डैड
लेकिन
डिसाइड.
हमारे घर में तो हम लोग डिसाइड करते हैं.
अरे
मैं और तेज.
तुमको कौन पूछता है? तुमको बच्चा समझ के ओके करता है, बाकी तुम्हारी कोई वैल्यू नहीं है. समझ में आया?
नहीं सर
हाँ,
हमारी
कुछ
बहुत
वैल्यू
है.
नहीं तुम्हारे घर में तुम्हारी, राइट?
बहुत वैल्यू है.
मॉम इज होम मिनिस्टर. कौन है? Mom is the home minister. So everything happening in the home, who decide?
Mom.
ठीक है. So यहाँ पे mom and dad going out, mom will decide everything. Then suppose this is mom's birthday, then obviously it is my birthday, I will decide. Okay. Then dad comes, dad's birthday, mom takes. Okay. Dad takes mom out for a party. ठीक है. अच्छा, you don't know anything, I'll decide. In any which ways, who will decide? मम्मा. हाँ, ठीक है. मायरा को पक्का मालूम है.
हम लोग.
So now when you have 2 numbers here, listen very carefully. When you have 2 integers number that are multiplied or divided, because the same rule apply for the multiplication, division both. The signs are, both the numbers are same. If the signs are both the numbers are same, yeah, so both positive, yeah, both negative here. Both positive, yeah, both negative. Answer will be always positive. Right? And when the signs are different, one positive and one negative, answer is always negative.
Negative.
Same way here. Both are positive, answer is positive. Both are negative, answer is negative. Clear hai?
Sir, wait, I need to copy.
Sorry?
Sir, I'm copying this.
अरे मैं भेज रहा हूँ. कौन कॉपी कर रहा है?
Kyra.
कायरा, मैं भेज रहा हूँ ना व्हाट्सएप पे. Why are you worrying? Right? अभी और भी भेजूंगा. Okay, now let's go to this thing again, right? देखो अभी क्या हो रहा है? What I'm doing now, listen very carefully. If I'm multiplying 1 multiply by 1 multiply by 1 multiply by 1, क्या आएगा आंसर? 1 आएगा.
1.
How many times I multiply does not matter, right?
Yes, sir.
Or if I divide 1 divide by 1 divide by 1 multiply by 1 divide by 1 divide by 1 multiply by 1, आंसर क्या आएगा?
1.
Sir, 1.
Whether you divide or multiply by 1, answer going to be 1, right?
Yes.
But problem कब आता है? जब when I put negative numbers. अब there are so many men, so many women are going for a party, right? ठीक है? And multiplication division. So men are usually not important. Whether you have 1 man, you have 10 men, or you have 20 men, what you need to understand is women are most important, right? Moms are women, right? So they are the most important. You have to take care of them. Isko koi problem, they will manage themselves, right? So whether you have 1 man, 1, 2, 3, 4, does not matter. What does matter is how many women are there, right? Now, why this is more important? I'll just give you one example, the same example, right? Which I told you right now, only with the 1 but, right? It is 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. Then you 1 multiplied by minus 1 or minus 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to, answer will be minus 1, right? When you multiply minus 1 with minus 1,
Sir, can I go to the washroom?
yes. बेटा अभी 2 मिनट रुक जाना थोड़ा, अभी ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है, क्लियर? So when you two negative numbers multiply divided, answer will be positive, right? So ये positive हो गया. When this multiply divided, answer will be again positive. Now these all positive number, किसी से भी positive number से multiply करेंगे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, right? Because positive will change to negative number or negative to positive if it is depending on the which number you are multiplying, right? So who decide the negative sign? Negative numbers, right?
Yes,
So that
sir.
is why you have to focus only on negative number, right? Only focus on forms.
काय करताय?
Dadi, Nani, Masi, Mami, Mummy's friend, your friend's mom, everybody, right? Focus on that.
एक बार
Only minus 1 remaining, the answer is minus. Correct? So whenever you multiplying multiple or dividing multiply numbers, you have to decide whether it will be positive number or a negative number. What do you need to do? You have to check how many times the negative number is appearing, right? So if it is all time negative numbers,
Sir, we taught this last year.
yes, answer will be always negative. तूने बोला मेरे को याद नहीं तो मैं वापस करा रहा हूँ बेटा. Even number, right? And this is very important because even next year I will do it with you. But last time I took 2 sessions. Okay. Now I taken 1 session only for this, right? Or if it is doubt, I'll take next class. If the Tej and Tattva have a doubt, I will solve this, right? Clear? Suppose I am doing this 2 into minus 1 into 2 into minus 2 into minus 1. Trisha,
Yes, sir.
without telling the multiplication, tell me answer will be positive or negative.
So it would be um so it would be negative.
Why? Because there is 1,
1.
2, and 3 negative signs. So answer will be negative, correct?
Yes.
After this, once you decide the negative, forget about the sign later on. Just multiply. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Answer is minus 8. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo. I'll show you some worksheet for you. Okay. Very simple worksheet, very easy one. And it is with a smiley. Correct? So you will be very happy to solve this.
Right.
Okay.
Sir, is this the same worksheet you gave last year?
No, it is similar kind, not the same, because every time the worksheet will change, right? Worksheet will change every time because there are multiple sets of worksheet. I'll show you. मैं दिखाता हूँ बेटा देख.
So -1 multiplied by -1 multiplied by -1 is equal to -1.
हाँ, correct. So that was I given you last time, right? अभी numbers के साथ आएगा, right? Now I'll get it with the numbers. Okay. Now I'll give you, this is single digit. I'm not giving you single digit wala. Single number I'm not giving. I'm giving you multiple numbers only, right? Yes, see. Okay, I am giving you this worksheet. Can you see this? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So what you need to do? Mentally you have to do, right? You have to count mentally number of boys, number of girls, and then you have to write the answer, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
But certain times you can be very easy. You are smart enough because I don't have to see the working. यहाँ पे क्या +9 -9 कट हो गया, +5 -5 कट हो गया, 0 रहेगा, right? Now something you will can match. Okay, you can easily do it. जैसे 4 + 4 minus cut, then you get -10 here. Here you got 10, 9, 9, all are positive, no problem. Here it is 12, nothing half. +5 -5 get cut, right? So what you do? 8 boys, 6 boys, 14 boys, and 7 girls. So answer will be what? 7. Correct? Just see, I'm just putting a sign for you because I'm not going to give you this worksheet. Here, I got -10, so I'm just writing -10. You get a smiley, right? Okay. Now, see if you can cut somewhere something else. देखो यहाँ पे. This is +2 -2 get cancelled. So 4 + 7, 4 + 3, 7. Clear? Everybody clear? This is one
Yes,
worksheet
sir.
and one worksheet I am giving you. So एक sample का ऊपर मैंने तुमको solve करके दिया है. You can use that. Okay. And one more worksheet I am going to give you, which is a multiplication worksheet. Multiplication. ये वाला. Here also I have solved one for you, right? So here why it is coming negative? First check. First you need to decide whether it is positive because there are only one negative number. That's why answer is negative. Here how many negative? Again one negative. So answer will be negative. Here how many negative? Only one negative. So answer will be negative. Here how many negative? 3 negative. All 3 are negative, right? So that's why you get a negative answer. Clear? And here there are 2 negatives. So answer will be positive. Correct? Here how many negative? 2 negative. Answer will be positive. Here 1 negative. Answer will be negative. Here 2 positive, 2 negative. Answer will be positive. Here 2 negative. Answer will be positive. Here 2 negative. Again positive. Here all 3 negative. So answer will be negative. Clear everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Understood? Okay. So can I give you these 2 worksheets?
Yes, sir.
Yes. But this you have to finish along with the decimal wala part. Okay. Exercise, addition, subtraction wala, right?
Sir,
You have to finish
exercise.
because you have 5 days now before your next class, right? So you should be able to finish and keep it ready because this individual I can check, right? But the decimal wala I'll check in the class. So make sure that you finish it before the class. Okay? Okay? Chalo. Keep it ready. I'll just ask you.
Sir,
Okay.
the decimal one, Chand.
Chand, I'll give you the exercise number in the WhatsApp पे भेजता हूँ मैं.
Okay, sir.
ठीक है? I'll tell you which one to solve, right? ठीक है? चल. Bye.
Bye, sir.